In this video, I'm going to show you Testimonial.to. It's very awesome, and I just found it recently, and I'm very impressed. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and what you have to do. So just sign up, and then you can, and also overall, Testimonial is going to help you a lot to build strong connection with your customer. You need testimonials if you have a service, a course, a website, even a YouTube channel sometimes. Like, even if we had like some option to show testimonial for our YouTube channel, that would be great. I think testimonials are great. And it's pretty easy because you don't need to develop, you don't need complicated code. It's just some very awesome tool that you can use to add testimonials. You just need to embed this code to your website. Very simple copy, and then it's gonna show you. It's gonna show there. You're gonna see that there. You know, and if you run this code, you're gonna see exactly how it looks like. All the code here with all your testimonials, and you can have a dedicated page with option for your client, for your viewer to record a testimonial for you, a video or a text, a dashboard where you can manage all your testimonials for social media. You also have an extension, Testimonial.to extension for social media, for Twitter, and you can import your testimonials for all over social media. And you have a dashboard here. You guys can also have how testimonials are performing, overview, data is very important. um, Having data for your website, for your testimonials, is just crucial. I think it's very important. Tracking all the data for embedded videos, helping you market them, understand not only text but also testimonial. You have testimonials on social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, video hosting platform, YouTube, Vimeo, and other review sites. You can add all the testimonials there. The best testimonials all in one place. You can just add a one, create one landing page with all the testimonials, all the ones. And after you logged in your account, you created your account, then you can start with text testimonials and 2 videos testimonials, and then upgrade for a paid plan. You have 7 days free trial, which I think it's pretty cool. 7 days and cancel anytime. And you can click now on a dashboard. I have the free version. Click on dashboard. See here, free plan, but you can create two. So click on create a new space from here. Create a new space. And here, this is your header. Goes here. Your custom message goes here as well. Who are you? What are your pro working questions? You can add a space, your logo here, square or not, space name, and header title, your customer message, and questions. Very important. And now you can collect extra information for titles, social media, or address. You can only add on one video, or I think text and video. It's so your viewers, your customers can have 2 options. You can also create a custom for plan, for a paid plan. Select language and click on create a new space. It's very easy. It's pretty super, effective. And from here, you can also, if you're curious about something, you can also go to tutorials here, and they can show exactly how you can embed it, can collect testimonials from within your course. So I think it's pretty cool. So you also have in one place some tutorials if you're curious about something, and also some articles so you can learn more. And now let me create something very short. Space name. Um, let's write here how to browser. Maybe I don't know. Header title. And I'm gonna write. Maybe this space is for your website, and you can write this for your website. That's the space about, a header. What do you think about this website? Tell me your opinion. What you think. No, tell me, or maybe tell me your opinion, or give me a testimonial. No, so let me know what you think. you know and then here you can write your customer message, something here, and your questions, and just click on create a new space. And yeah, I really hope, guys, you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.